Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by collecting 5 to 10 seed ideas that represent your product, customer pain points, and competitor names. This gives you a focused starting universe. Once done, make sure your Google Ads account targeting, location, language, and campaign goal matches your sell zone so results are relevant. Now open Keyword Planner and choose Discover New Keywords. Enter your seeds and landing page. You'll immediately get real searches and suggested variations. This first batch shows where demand already exists and what to expand. You'll now filter and expand systematically. Apply a minimum monthly search threshold and drop irrelevant or brand-heavy terms with negative filters so noise is reduced. Next, expand with close variants, question formats, and longer tail modifiers. Use match types intentionally, broad to discover, phrase, and exact to measure precision. Export results and add columns for average CPC, competition, and trend, then sort by intent and commercial value. This lets you prioritize keywords that balance volume, cost, and buyer readiness. You finalize by selecting top priority keywords and grouping them into tight ad groups, each focused on a single theme so quality score improves. Once grouped, set initial bids using either target CPA or top page CPC estimates and craft responsive search ads with headlines tied to keyword intent. Launch the campaign and monitor performance for 2 weeks. If a keyword gets few clicks, increase bid or adjust ad copy and landing page relevance. If costs spike, pause low converting terms and reallocate budget to winners.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.